Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. In this video, we are going to talk about the problem C of code forces around 750, which is grandma kappa knits a scarf. This is a string problem. It is asking us that grandma kappa has decided to knit a scarf and asks grandma say to make a pattern for it. A pattern is a string consisting of lowercase English letters. Okay. Uh, Basically, the thing is that grandma can erase only a single character from this, means I am not with only one character on only a single type of letter or alphabet from this string to make it a palindrome. For example, if it erases this one a and this a from the string, then this string will become palindrome. Okay, so only two operations are needed. So it can only erase only one type of character any number of times from this, means the minimum number of times from this string, so that it will become a palindrome string. Okay, fine. So it is really a good question. Fine. uh, so let's discuss. This is the problem statement. So let's move towards the logic part. So what it is asking it, this is my white screen, white. So let's take the first test case only, the first test case which is given to us in the problem. So let me copy it. So yeah, so this is the first test case given to us in the problem. Here it is that a b, sorry, it is a b c a c a b. So it can only erase one type of alphabet. For example, grandma can erase only a, it takes only a. For example, it can only erase b, कोई भी इनमें से. तो पहले देखते हैं कौन कौन से अवेलेबल है. First of all, we will count how many characters are there, how many alphabets are there. Maximum there will be 26 alphabet. 26 से ज़्यादा alphabet हो सकते हैं, नहीं हो सकते हैं. We can store it in a set. Okay, set में हम store कर सकते हैं that how many alphabets are there. Now we will check for each and every alphabet. For example, in this string only A, B and C are present. So first of all we will check for A. How we can check that? We will check by two pointers. So first pointer will point towards the first character and other to the last character. It will check that if these both the letters are equal. So if they are equal, then it will increase, both the pointer will increase. This pointer will become here and this will become here. But this A is not equal to B, means it is not following the palindrome situation. So what we can do is, for example, first of all it is checking for A, that grandma can erase all the A from the string. So for grandma can erase this A. So C erases this A. Now this pointer will point towards the this B. This will not move. Okay, because we have not erased the B. Now it will check, is this one is equal, yeah, B is equal to B. Now both the point will move that, yeah, this particular last and first index is following the palindrome condition. So now this pointer will point towards this one and this one pointer will point towards this one. Again it will check that are they equal or not. So there it is C, there it is A. So they are not equal. Fine, they are not equal. So again it will, what it can do, it can erase A only, because first of all we are checking for A only. So it will erase this A and this pointer will become here. Now it will check that C is equal to C. Yeah, it is equal to C. Then both the pointer will move. First one is here and another one is here. Is both are equal? Yeah, they are equal. So no problem. Now both the pointer reach the same point. So the answer is that we have to erase 2A to get a palindrome. So answer will be, for A it will be 2. Now we will check for B. If we have to erase B, then how many operations are required? So now we will check for B. Okay, now we'll check for B. So for B, let's take both the pointers from here. So what is that? Yeah, they are not equal, so we will erase B. This pointer will move here and this will remain. Now is A is equal to A? Yeah, it is equal. Then both the pointers will move. The left pointer, right pointer. Now is C is equal to B? No, B is not equal to C. Then we will erase this B, because now we can only erase B. We are taking B as the character. So this pointer will move towards this. We have erased the B. This will not move. Now is C is equal to C? Yeah, it is equal to C. Both the pointer are here now. Okay, it will check A is equal to A. Now all the string is checked. Yeah, so for B also the minimum possible erasions are 0. Now we'll check for C. Now we'll check for C. So for C, let's see that what can we do. So first of all, it will be A and B. So here it is A, here it is B. Now we are erasing C. So here it is A, here it is B. We are erasing C. It is not possible. We can't erase A and we can't erase B. And if they are not equal, then we cannot also proceed. If they are not following the palindrome, यहाँ palindrome बन ही नहीं सकता है. और हम लोग erase भी नहीं कर सकते, ना हम लोग A को erase कर सकते, ना हम लोग B को erase कर सकते. क्यों? Because we are taking C as the character. So the answer will be for C. It will be, you can say we will take here max of all the value, because it is not possible. Possible ही नहीं है C से करना. Now we will solve this value. Then in which character the least value is coming? For A and B both, the value 2. So we will output 2. Okay, for example, in this one, the thing is that X, Y and Z, this was a test case. The answer was, it was -1. For example, this is the test case. The characters present are X, Y and Z. First of all, we will check for X. When we will check for X, then here it is X, here it is Z. Okay, it will check, so it will erase X, then the comment to the Y. Now it will check, is Y is equal to Z? No, it is not equal. And also we cannot erase, neither we can erase Y and nor we can erase Z, because we are taking X as the character. So यहीं से हमारा loop रुक जाएगा और हमारी X की value max आ जाएगी. We cannot make the string palindrome by erasing X. Now we will check for Y. Can we make the string palindrome by Y? So we will check for Y now. Okay. So what we can do is we can check for Y now. So we will erase this these characters. We'll check for Y. So for Y we will check, here is X, here is Z. They are not equal, and also we cannot erase any one of them because we have to erase Y. Then again for Y also it is max, and similarly for Z also it is max. You can check it. So means this string can't be make palindrome by using any one of these characters. So the answer will be -1. So basically this is the explanation of this problem. So what I have done, you can check my code also, that what I have done there. What I have done is that first of all I have stored all the present characters in a set, all present characters. Now for each characters, for each and every characters, I am finding the minimum number of operations to make the string palindrome. So I am taking the 2 pointers method, which is low and high. So and in C I am storing the particular, you can say the particular character, and also in this answer array, which is of length 26. So basically it is storing all the it will storing the value of C for all the characters which are present or which are not present. So I have initialized it as long max. So if a particular character is not present, then so it cannot make the string palindrome. So the answer is long max, and we have to find a minimum value. Fine. So what I have done is, मैंने क्या किया, मैंने यहाँ से पहले लास्ट से चेक किया है, the low and high. If low and high both are equal, for example in this case, if we check our logic, what I have done is, if this for example if B and B are equal, then we are moving both the pointers. Means high one back and low one moving one low. Okay, forward. So what here is also we are doing is that we are increasing low and we are decreasing high. Okay, and if they are not equal and any one of that character is equal to A, means the character we are taking, we want to erase, then we can erase that particular character. If it is at a low position, we can increase the low and we can also increase the count that we are erasing one character. If it is at the high position, then we can decrement the high and we can increase C. But if both the characters are different and none of them is A, means we cannot erase any one of them, and also both are different, then we have to break this, and the value of C is -1. So if the value of is not equal to -1, means if C is not equal to -1, then we can simply write that answer A minus A is equal to C. Means that for that particular character, the minimum number of operation is C. Then we can solve that particular vector, then we can output the minimum possible operations required. And if the minimum possible is also long max, then it is -1, means not possible to solve, otherwise it is answer 0. Like this. So मैंने इस तरीके से किया है. If you have any doubt, Now also you can comment down, or you can join our Telegram. You can also join our live DSA and CP course where we will complete DSA, CP specific topic, post content discussion live with me on Google Meet. The cost is just $299 per month. You can also subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please share it with your friends. Thank you.